So guys, I'm going to be using this piece of fabric to illustrate how to create gathers on your dress. So now the first thing you're going to do is you are going to run a straight line on your fabric. Make sure that it is not starting from the tip of your fabric. Make sure that you come down about half an inch. That is where your gathers is going to, that's where your stitch is going to sit. It's going to sit half inch away from the tip of your fabric. So now you will come to this side of your machine, this your stitch regulator. So you're going to bring it to the down part. You're going to bring it to the last stitch. Make sure that it is at the last. Don't bring it up. Don't keep it here. Don't keep it here. Make sure that you just use your hand and push it to the last. That is the gather stitch. So after that, the next thing you will now do is to start sewing your gathers. So you just place your fabric inside your foot and then start sewing. Please do not double stitch. Just when you once you put it, you start sewing. Sew on that half inch line. Just sew on that half inch line. So when you get to the end, make sure that you drag it so that you have a little bit of thread dangling outside. This is going to help you for your gathers, and also make sure that you also have thread at the beginning. So now this is my gather stitch. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my pin and just bring out the thread, the last thread. I'll just bring it out like this. Now there is something very important you need to note. When you are gathering, if you know that it is this thread that you are using to gather on this side, make sure that it is the same thread that you're using to gather on this side. So I'll just pick it out like this. Don't use this one here and then use this one at the back on this side. Once you do that, your gather is going to lock. You're not going to It's not going to work. So make sure that the thread you're using on this side is the same thread you're using on this side. Don't use back thread here and use front thread here. Don't do that. So now when you pick it, you just start, you hold it and then start dragging your fabric. Just start dragging it like this. You see how I'm doing it? Just keep dragging, and that is how to create a gathers. Just hold it. Make sure you don't hold it. Don't drag it tight. Because this thread is very very fragile. If you drag it tight, it's going to cut. So just gently move it. Gently. This takes time, but you know you don't have a choice. You just have to do it unless you're going to use a needle and thread to do it. So just do it gently, gently, just like I'm doing. Just gently. Don't drag it too much. Gently. So I'll also start on this side, do the same thing on this side, and I'll just gently, gently drag it. You can see. So I'll just drag it. You can even adjust it. If you feel like the gather is too tight, you can just adjust it. You see, it has loosened. It has loosened. You can also drag it back again. You see how I'm doing it. So guys, that is how to create your gathers.